a boy, in love with a girl, so in love with the world, so beautiful. She was in love with the night, the way the sun shines, all she needed was light.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a personal story about how I learned photography. When I was in university, my whole first year I had to shoot in black and white, and I really didn't get the point of this. But later on I got it, and now when I had the chance to shoot in black and white, I just love it. In today's video I will share with you why playing around with black and white photography is important, what can you learn from this type of photography, and how to do it better. Let's start! The first thing that black and white photography teaches us is to see the light. By removing cover from the image, we can focus on the direction of the light. My model for today is Veronica, and you can check her Instagram in the description. Now, let's talk about the basics. We have a dark background, the model is also wearing dark clothes, and for the photo shoot I use only one light with a beauty dish. For the first set of shots, I use a front light. Front light is when your light is positioned directly in front of your model. This type of lighting is often used in portraits to create a flattering, even light on the subject's face. In our case, I position it slightly to the side to add some dimension, but still keep her face well lit. The light was also close to the model, so that I can get an even light on her face, but keep the dark background. One bonus is that I get these sketch lights in her eyes. For the second set of shots, I choose a side light. I position the beauty dish to the right of my model. Using the side light, I am creating a gradient from light to dark, which adds depth and texture to the image. This type of lighting gives your image a more dramatic effect. In the next example, we position the light in front of the model again, but coming from above. This technique is called an overhead light, and it can be used to create drama and mystery in the image. In our case, I use it to create strong highlights on her face and shadows in the rest of the image to add a moody atmosphere to the shot. But I must say that this type of light is a bit limited for your subject, because it restricts the poses that can be used. So, with these examples, I wanted to show you that black and white photography is perfect for learning and understanding the direction of light, which is one of the most important skills used to create beautiful and interesting images. Another important element of photography is contrast. When shooting black and white, you can clearly see the contrast in the image. For the next set of photos, I use a beauty dish with a grid. The grid helps to control the spread of light, creating a more directional and focused beam of light. Understanding how to use contrast and add it where you need it give you another tool to draw the viewer eye to the important part of the image. In portraits, that's your subject's expressions and emotions. Okay guys, those were some of the things that shooting black and white photography has taught me. What about you? Do you shoot in black and white, or do you prefer color all the way? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe. Bye!